God is just continuously testing me again and again. Now, how will I arrange so much money in such a short span of time?
Zoya, what do you think? Will you be jailed again if, by any chance, you default the loan? But you don't need to be scared, because you already have the experience of it. Now the cockroaches of that place will be scared. Zoya is back. Oh my God, what should we do now?
Adi, well...
Hey, please come. I've been waiting for you, girl. Mahi, what do you think? As a nominee of that cheater, will Zoya be jailed for defaulting the loan or not?
Don't bother anyone when you can't help someone.
What? And for whom? Why should I help you and for what? Tell me, who are you to me? Are you my friend, my family, or an enemy? Nothing, right? I don't do charity here, okay? If this company is sealed, then you will have to sell your house and pay mine and the bank's loan.
Yeah, tell me.
Listen, Chirag. Tell everyone in the office to call me Coffee Nawaz.
What? Coffee what?
Coffee Nawaz.
Have you lost it or what?
Chirag, it's a matter about a girl. It's a long story. I'll tell you in free time. I promise.
Do you want to take an interview or should we just hire like that?
No. Take the interview. Chirag, work is work. I'm sure she will clear the interview. I'm not concerned about that.
But I don't mind. We can hire her without taking an interview.
Oh God! Coffee Nawaz is flattering that man so much. Come on, Noor. This Coffee Nawaz will not get this job. This is the promise of Her Highness Chokomati.
Mahi, you don't need to feel scared at all. I will let you stay at home. I won't throw you out, okay? The moment I get that house, I'll firstly get the renovation done and make a little changes here and there, so that your cheater husband's name gets erased from there. You won't want to stay in such a house, right? No problem. Buy yourself a smaller flat and stay over there. Hey, don't cry. I'm not so bad after all. Okay, I'll help you too. You can also stay there. It's okay. But what about them? I can't help so many people, right? I'll have to open an institution to help so many people. Only you can help them. You are the only one who can help them and do something for them. But are you capable enough to do that? Tell me, Zoya. To find out, watch the episode Zoya Saves the Office. Mahi, till the time Zoya finds the answers to my questions, until then, let's prepare for the photo shoot.
Sure.
Let's go.
Just a minute. You intend to do a photo shoot in such tough times?
Well, actually, Zoya, the winner takes it all. And I have a key to all the problems in the world. Got it?
Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
So, Miss
Chokomati.
Choco, what?
Chokomati.
No need to show off too much.
So the two of you have come for an interview for the same job. So please maintain some decorum. This is an office and not some school.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir.
Sir, won't RJJ himself come to take the interview?
No. I am the producer of the show and I shall take the interviews.
Sir, what's special about this RJ AJ? I mean, it's such a weird name, AJ.
Please keep quiet, Coffee Nawaz. You're bad-mouthing the one with whom you intend to do internship. Sir, actually, you know, the thing is I'm a big fan of RJJ. I listen to his show every day. You know, I feel like he and me have a connection of sorts. He's so fantastic.
He's so fantastic. This is a job interview, not some reality show that any weird person will make an entry. And anyway, you want an internship here. What do you know about radio?
Yes. What do you know about radio?
Sir, radio is a medium of sound. But I feel that radio is a medium of the heart. Radio is connected to the heart. Something that is not visible can be felt. AJ's show as well is quite similar. It is not a show. It is a feeling that is connected to the heart. Anyway, you won't understand.
Arch, what do you think?
I think she's absolutely right. Radio is a feeling. Some people share their pain on radio, and while we sit here and feel their pain, this truly is radio.
Congratulations! Superb! Both of you have the job.
Thank you, sir.
You know, both of you have great competition levels. I'll keep you both on 1 month's probation period. The one who will perform well by the end of the month will be RJ AJ's intern.
Mr. Yash Arora has defaulted a loan of 10 million rupees because he didn't pay on time. Your office will be sealed.
How much money did your loser husband take as a loan? He took 50 million from me, 10 million from the bank. What was he doing with so much money? Company didn't progress. Such a cheater. He was cheating everyone and not just you. We just have 3 weeks. Make amends to your problems you have created and stop this drama of yours.
How will I arrange for so much money in such a short span of time? How will I do this?
Hi.
Why are you here?
Yes. Hey, please come in. Consider it your own home. Please, come. You must be tired after work. Do you want something? Juice, water, coffee, poison?
Where's Mom?
She went to the temple. We both were alone at home. But now you're here to ruin everything. Mahi? So tell Zoya, how was your day today?
You are so funny. My stomach hurts from laughing. Your talks, your ideas, bizarre. You're different.
But you like my ideas, right?
I think Mom is here.
Mom?
That's good. Now I will talk in front of her.
What?
Mahi, your mom is very cool. Whenever she talks, she does it with authority.
You...
I think once she knows you, she will start liking you as well.
Mom?
Hey Noor, this is the right chance to impress the RJ before he arrives so that I will make a place and he will leave. Well, excuse me? But when does RJ AJ come?
Well, he's in his cabin.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
You already went to impress him? Tell me.
Look, AJ is in a bad mood. In fact, are you sure you want to meet him right now? Look, his anger is bad. You deal with the rest.
Mood is bad? What do you mean by that? What happened to him? Is he alright?
He might have fought with his girlfriend. That's why he's so angry.
Girlfriend? He has a girlfriend too.
He might have. Why do you care?
I hope that it is a serious fight so that both of them break up.
What did you just say?
I said nothing. And why should I agree with you? Who knows, you might be lying. I'm going.
Think about it. Sir is in a very bad mood. Today is your first day here. This may turn into the last.
Okay, fine. Zoya, what is he doing over here?
I didn't call him here, Mom.
I just don't understand one thing. Be it the hospital or the house, how do you barge in everywhere? Let me tell you one thing. This is my house and nobody can come here without my permission.
Didn't I tell you? That whenever she speaks with so much authority. Wow. Ma'am, please come in.
Hey!
Come in, please.
What?
I'd come here to talk to you. Come and sit here, please. I need to talk something important with you.
But...
Please sit first. I need to talk about this house. I want this house of yours.
You want this house?
You please talk to me. Why do you want this house? Don't you have your own house?
Have you lost your memory once again? Don't you remember? You will remember. How many times should I tell you? Have you forgotten? Do you want to do the photo shoot or not? We'll need a house, so we'll do it over here. Isn't it, Mai?
Of course. It'll be more comfortable here, you know. And also, our house is so fantastic.
What are you saying? Why this house?
We'll get a photo shoot done here. We are rebranding Zosh. Didn't she tell you about it?
We won't do any photo shoot here. Did you get it?
Why do you overreact so much, Zoya? It's just a small photo shoot.
Anyway, Mahi, I'll take your leave. Tomorrow is a big day.
Yeah.
Show me your room too tomorrow.
I'll see ya.
He... Mahi, Zoya, what nonsense is he talking about?
Mom, please forget about him. He's just insolent. Don't react to whatever he says, please. Mahi, what was the need to call Aditya Huda home?
It's not only mom's house, but mine too. I stay here as well. I can bring along anyone I want. Friends, colleagues, anyone. Try and relax a bit, Zoya.
Did you see that, Zoya? It is useless to explain to Mahi. She never listens to me. That is why I am telling you. Because I know that you are toiling day and night for this company. I also know that Aditya Huda, he's your business partner in the company. But whenever he comes in this house, I cannot tolerate it. That is why, please don't bring him to this house ever again.
Mom, please forgive me. I did not know about it. You please don't worry. This will never happen again.
Look, if it's office-related work, I can understand. But other than that, I do not want any girl from this house to keep any relation with Aditya Huda.
I promise you that, Mom, that Aditya Huda will stay away from our lives. And you please don't worry. I will handle everything, Mom. For the first time, I have felt an affection after talking to Mom. And I won't let anything break her trust. I will keep Aditya Huda away from everyone.
Sir, he was using this credit card at a hotel. When I inquired, he said that he found it in garbage.
Sir, I did not steal.
Stop it. Don't hit that boy. He is right. Bring me the card. Let me check. Whom does it belong to?
Sir, look at this.
The CBI has already flagged this.
Yes, sir.
That means if you try to remove the information from this card, then all the information will go directly to the CBI.
Hello, I'm calling from Delhi CBI.
Delhi CBI? Yes, sir. Tell me. Yes, sir. I've sent all the details to the head office in Delhi. What? You're coming over here? No problem, sir.
What happened, sir?
It was a top officer from the CBI. Everyone in the department gossips about him. He is coming over here. He told me another thing.
What is it, sir?
That nobody should try to meet the Huda family. This Huda.
Till when will we keep driving like this? You have already made me your driver, while Dad has made me his runner. You both should start paying me soon. Anyway, I'll leave my work and complete your errands.
Really? Are you the Prime Minister of the country? What important work do you do which you can't leave and come here for me?
Adi, I have a lot of work. Anyway, tell me what emergency you have. I mean, we are going so late.
Actually, I need some cash.
How much?
10 million. Arjun, what are you doing?
What? 10 million? Where do you think I'll get so much money from? Huh? You?
Arjun, you can still get it. Where will I get it from? Mr. Huda has sealed all my accounts. I don't even have a job. So now only you can do something to help me, please.
I'll help. I mean, I'll try. I'll try to help, but I can't make any promises.
Your trying is all I need, my boy. That's my brother.
Aditya, what's your plan?
Nothing.
Zoya, I'm so happy today. I'm elated.
Noor, but what kind of a job is this? You will stay out all night. You will be returning home and I will be leaving for office. We won't be able to even meet, Noor. Why can't you do a day job like other people?
What else can I do, Zoya? The moon comes in the night only.
What do you mean?
Zoya, I'm talking about my show. It's like the moon. It only plays in the night. I mean, it's a late night show.
I can't understand how mom and dad gave you the permission to do this job. Look, now I cannot speak to mom and dad, but tell me everything they said when you spoke about this job in detail. What did they say?
Noor, I think Zoya is right. Talk to your parents once over the phone. They will give you the right advice, Noor. At least this much you can do. For your sister's sake.
Noor?
Zoya, you look very tired today. I'll do one thing. I'll wake up tomorrow morning and I'll call mom and dad in front of you, alright? Okay?
Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay.
Good night.
Zoya ma'am, Adi sir has told all of us to do modeling.
He has gone totally crazy. I warned him not to do the photo shoot at home. So he's doing it in the office now. Excuse me.
Finally! My partner is here. But how will your photo shoot happen like this?
I do not wish to do the photo shoot. It was your idea and you had to do it.
Did I say you will not do the photo shoot? I said our company should have a new look. It's the people of the company which give the company a face. Akanksha, please take her to the hairstylist and makeup. Tell them to do some magic so that she smiles. Or else she shouldn't look faded in front of me, right?
Please, I have no interest in participating in your nonsense.
This is your problem. You don't have any sense regarding the business. What do you think? Why are we doing this photo shoot? For your portfolio? No. It's for the firm's PR. You are not interested? Fine. The firm's co-owner should be interested because what is seen only sells.
Exactly, Adi. What is seen, that sells.
Mahi, you only understand my feelings. Mahi, let's take some shots together. Zoya will definitely refuse. So you come?
I can do anything for the sake of the company.
I mean, for my company? Mahi, I wonder why I never noticed you.
I do not wish that any girl from this house should be related to Aditya Huda.
I promise you, Mom, that Aditya Huda will stay away from everyone.
Mahi?
No! I am the co-owner of this company, so I'll be in the photographs as well.
Your co-ownership is too convenient, don't you feel? You are so unpredictable. I've never seen a more confused girl than you. All right, fine. If you're insisting, then please come. Please.
Sir, please, post change. Sir, please come closer. Come a little more closer, sir.
Let go!